Ready? Oh, sorry.
Ah, it wasn't recording.
Wait, put a pillow near it. Why? I got Dan.
Ah, true.
Okay, ready?
She just falls the most awkward ways. Like, you don't even know how she falls.
Okay. That was good. That was good. Okay, yeah, we did good. Okay,
Yeah, it's probably like the easiest person to
ready?
do it.
She was about to go head first into that room.
You watch them, it's so funny. Do it again. Do it again.
My stomach hurts. You do it. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Come do it.
What?
Kick like a donkey.
Kick like
Flop
a
like a fish.
flop like a fish, and then squirm like a
Squirm like a
worm.
worm.
Get on the floor and let her do it.
Take your shoes off.
Sexy.
Take your shoes off.
My feet probably stink.
I don't care. Just take them
I've been
off.
sweating so
Oh my
much.
god. You do it. Come on, you're not sweaty. Take them off over there.
Yeah.
Is it really gonna be that bad?
Probably. I don't know why I'm laughing.
Did you say you don't know why you're laughing? I didn't know you were.
Do not change that song. I need to hear it.
Okay. Okay. Okay, don't drop me.
I'm not gonna
Okay,
try.
okay. Put your feet up. Do you even know what you're doing?
Yeah.
It's red. Okay.
Ah!
Ready? Your feet are like...
No.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold on. Okay, go.
Okay. I'm so high! I'm like all the way up there because it's legs are like extendo. Okay. Okay, go. Come on.
Extendo legs.
Wait, I'm not touching that.
Go.
Ew, no! Okay,
Give
ready?
me something.
Come on,
Give me a
doesn't
pillow.
matter. It's
Give me a
fine.
pillow.
No, that's gonna make it even worse. I'm not gonna be able to balance on that, you dumbass.
You're good.
Just put your foot up.
What?
Oh my, it's not gonna
Try
work,
it.
but okay. Okay.
Wait, let me try it with Ann. Put your towel in. Ready?
Yeah.
Swim in. Flip like her. Kick like a donkey.
Because when she kicks like a donkey, she goes insane.
No, Andy, come on, you're the best one.
Wait,
You're the best
Legs
one.
what's after kick like a donkey?
Flap like a fish.
And then squirm like a worm and then throwing.
Okay.
Let's do it.
So.
Is it hot in here?
Dude, I need new shoes. Yeah, it's fucking hot as shit. And if it's me because I'm dehydrated or something, I don't know.
Okay.
Yo, I'm feeling chill right now.
Swim in. Kick like a donkey. Kick like a donkey.
Get back up. Let me try it. Come on, get up. Stop your whining.
Stop your whining.
You don't know how that feels.
Come on, put your feet up.
You don't know how what feels.
Getting kicked in the back of the nuts.
Put your feet up. You're okay.
Oh, I just looked at myself in the
Oh.
I
camera.
don't want to stop on your face.
Hold on, I need to sit on my stomach here.
I'm like wasting my stomach. What just happened?
Settle for the little one.
It was just this thing.
Kidding.
What did he say?
What happened?
I'm gonna try doing it with my hands, holding you up until you can do it.
Nigga, you're crazy.
No, we can do it, Samantha. I know we can.
He's doing the action. Just flop like a pair of papers. Keep looking at me.
Oh, fail.
Why?
Samantha, come on, let's try it.
No.
Let's try it.